Alright, here we go. We got the G086 downtown Mount Olive. Well, we're down here at Mount Olive, North Carolina. Southbound grain train with a C40-8 standard cab and a C40-8W in the second position. This train here is southbound to Warsaw, from Warsaw to Wallace, going to the Chief, formerly known as Murphy Brown. It's a loaded grain train. We'll lean back and get them. Here we go. In case you're wondering, we got fresh ballasts that done been down here tampering the tracks, picking up all kinds of dust. As this G086 clears up, we're down here at County Road. This is what would be Southern States plant here. If you look further down, be milepost AC-175. There's another grain train sitting in the siding. That train has been emptied out at Case Farms, which is located in Calypso, North Carolina. Hopefully we'll be able to get him. We'll see how it works out. Thanks for watching.